Okay, so this morning I posted a video where I still had a bunch of stuff on the floor. Didn't have my handbags up yet or my twinkly lights yet. I'm not finished with everything. I still need to figure out how I want to organize this. I don't like this area. I like this. I like all this. And I still need to fix my desk area. But this is what I have so far. Let me take you a little closer. Okay, so there's my handbag area right there, along with some shoes. And let's come over here. Here's this area here. Like I said, I put the twinkly lights up just now. I went and got the ladder from the garage and put everything up. I just think this looks too cluttery. So I need to figure something else out. I guess I need to make a trip to Ross and get more blingy stuff like I bought. See, I bought that stuff at Ross. Okay, what else can I show you? Okay, the next area I need to tackle is this right here. I need to fix that up. Things I didn't know what to do with, I just put on top of my vanity. So I need to finish that still. And I need to, I think I'm going to do a DIY mirror for this wall. I want a nice big mirror there, so I might do something like that. But yeah, pretty much coming together. I can at least start filming because this shelf right here doesn't show when I'm actually filming for my beauty channel because my body is about right there. So all you really see is this. So I made sure to at least be temporarily satisfied with that area. So yeah, here we go. This is what I've been doing all day. Cleared the floor, yay! And there's some toys there for Petrova when she comes in to visit with me. I have toys in there for her to play with, so yay. And there's Pretty Paris, and I only have one more box to go through, yay! It says that it's black box, which I don't know which black box it's talking about, and stuffed toys. So I know I don't need to hurry up and get to that. So, yay! All right, maybe I'll post this on YouTube. Maybe I won't. I don't know. Alrighty, guys. I'm tired. I'm done. It's 5 o'clock. Not just somewhere, but it's 5 o'clock here.